Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit Lightroom filter, using Lightroom in mobile. Here are the example photos, before and after using this filter. So, let's start editing. First, go to Light. Adjust the exposure to -0.20. Contrast to 40. Highlights to 30. Shadows to -20. Whites to -12. And blacks to 70. Next, go to Color. Adjust the temperature to 6. Vibrance to 26. And saturation to 18. Go to Color Mix. First, go to Red Color. Adjust saturation to -28. Go to Orange. Adjust hue to -8. Saturation to -36. Luminance to 12. Go to Yellow. Adjust hue to -100. Saturation to -100. Go to Green. Adjust hue to -100. Saturation to -100. Luminance to -24. Set the hue to -100 and saturation to -100 in aqua, blue, violet, and magenta. Done. Next, go to Effects. Adjust dehaze to 24. Vignette to -23. Feather to 70. Then, go to Details. Adjust sharpening to 25. Radius to 1.00 and detail to 25. Set the noise reduction to 24. Its detail should be 50. Adjust the color noise reduction to 32. Detail to 50 and smoothness to 50. Now, let's see the difference. This is before and after. To apply this filter in another photo, click the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Then, click Copy Settings. Check. Go to another photo and click the 3 dots on the upper corner again. Click Paste Settings. Apply to your photos as much as you want. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.